Alright, first we've got to add the support resistance indicator with breaks and retests to the trading view chart. This will be the core indicator for this trading strategy. After adding the indicator and the indicator settings, we really gotta change the look back link to 45. Then we gotta change the number of bars since breakout to 3. Now we definitely gotta disable the retest options. And to avoid any repainting issues, we gotta change the repainting option to off and candle confirmation. Then we should probably make the text labels a little bigger. And then you can change the colors however you want. And we also gotta activate the override text color option. With these settings configured, the indicator will now identify the support and resistance zones on the chart and give us buy and sell signals when the prices break through those levels. For example, here a bullish breakout has happened and we can enter a long trade. And similarly, in this example, a bearish breakout has occurred, so you can enter a short trade and make profit. Alright guys, to confirm the signals from our main indicator, we really need to utilize the momentum histogram indicator next. So after adding it to the chart, head over to its settings, and first we're gonna change the EMA inputs under the input section to 27 for EMA 1, 47 for EMA 2, and 90 for EMA 3. Then head over to the style section and disable the first plot and change the second plot to columns and make the color to white so it's easy to see against the price chart. This way, the position of the histogram relative to 0 will clearly show us whether the signals are valid or not. Basically, when the histogram is positive, buy signals are confirmed, and when it's negative, sell signals are confirmed. In this sample, we've had a buy signal from the breaks and retests indicator, and after that, the positive histogram confirms the same buy signal. So we know it's a valid buy signal and we can confidently enter a long trade. And similarly, in this example, we've had a sell signal get confirmed by the negative momentum histogram. So again, we know it's a valid sell signal and we can likely take. In the final step to set our trading rules, we'll definitely want to incorporate an exponential moving average indicator to give us an overall view of the market trend. This will provide some additional context for signals and entry. So now in the EMA indicator settings under the input section, change the length to 100 and the time frame to 15 minutes. Then under the style, change the indicator color to yellow. With these settings, we now have an overall view of the market, which means we can determine the trend according to the moving average line and avoiding entering signals against the trend. So if the candles are above the moving average, we only consider bullish breakouts as valid, and vice versa. If the candles are below the moving average, we only consider bearish breakouts as valid. So in this case, to enter a long trade, first we have to wait for a bullish breakout. Then make sure the momentum histogram indicator is positive. And also make sure we're trading in the direction of the market trend, meaning the price is above the moving average. So when these conditions are met, we can enter our long trade at the close price of the breakout candle. And to manage your capital, first set a stop loss for your trade. For this strategy, I will recommend a recent swing low as your stop loss level. And the next step of capital management, you should aim for at least 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio to exit the trade so that your overall trades remain profitable over time. And if you want to enter a short trade, first we have to wait for a bearish breakout. Then make sure the momentum histogram indicator is negative. And also, we need to make sure we're trading in the direction of the market trend, meaning the price is below the moving average. So when all these conditions are fulfilled, we can enter a short trade at the close price of the breakout candle. And to manage your capital, first set a stop loss for your trade. For this strategy, use a recent swing high as your stop loss level. And in the next step of capital management, you should aim for at least 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio to exit the trade so that your overall trades remain profitable over time. However, if you're looking to profit in the forex market, you definitely need to watch this recommended video.